Hello and welcome to MSTV. I'm Neha Chauhan and today I'm here with very famous and talented model and actor Miss Ritu Shivpuri ma'am, जिन्होंने 19 के दशक में अपनी फिल्म आंखों से एक इंडस्ट्री में जबरदस्त पहचान बनाई. We welcome you ma'am.
थैंक यू.
कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत ही बढ़िया हूँ. It's a pleasure to be here.
It's an honor to have you here with us.
Thank you.
Yes. So starting with my very first question, so that is coming to Marva Studios. You also watch about the 125th Digital Film Festival where
जी.
student has showcased their films. So what do you want to say about this experience?
This is my second time coming to Marva Studios, and it's always a pleasure to come here. There's so much fresh talent coming up, and they train you all so wonderfully, and it's one of the greatest institutes, for this kind of profession. So their precision and the way the students learn here is always wonderful to see it come into life in live form. ऑन स्क्रीन. सो वो मज़ा आता है देखने में कि स्टूडेंट्स आजकल के नया जनरेशन मतलब हाउ आर दे थिंकिंग, हाउ दे परसीव थिंग्स, एंड इट्स फन टू वॉच. एंड दे वो अपना हाथ साफ कर पा रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिकली कर पा रहे हैं चीज़ें, विच इज़ अ वेरी बिग थिंग. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड Sandeep ji is able to give you all that, and that's really great.
Amazing. Yeah. And if we talk about your journey from being films to the television and to web series, right? It's been an amazing journey. So how can you describe your journey and what you want to say about it?
Well, it's been like a wonderful journey actually, and I love what I do. I absolutely love it. It's a part of my being. It's a part of me. And yeah, there's been ups and downs. Then I left for a while because I was bringing up children, and but it's so good to be back working at a time where there are some great projects happening for women. There are some great scripts. There are some great roles. So it's a good time to be working again. So yeah, I'm excited and looking forward to many more new projects.
Great. And if we talk about, like, as you said, that you took a break and then you came again.
Yes.
And you must have seen some changes in terms of technology, of acting,
Yeah,
scripting, right? So do you feel any challenges that you wanted to, like, you
No, I don't find it challenging. I think it's more organized. Everything is more practically works better. पहले थोड़ा haphazard होती थी चीजें. आजकल everything is on contract, on paper. Everything is more scripted. हम लोग को scripts नहीं मिलती थी. All that has changed for the better. So yeah, it's a
So do you miss something from the 90s era or something like in these days?
Do I miss?
Yeah.
Yes, the personal touch. Things are a little more mechanical now, a little more dry. I'm an emotional person. I like things when they come with an emotional connect to it. And I think that has gone away somewhere. So yeah, that's what I miss.
So is there any moment while you're doing movies, web series, is there any moment that is particular become very, emotional for you or relatable to you? Any experience with a co-actor or on set?
वो होता है कभी-कभी when you're a sensitive person. I think most actors are sensitive. That's why they're able to emote and bring out a lot of emotions that they do on screen. And I think once you are sensitive, then you react to a lot of things. There are certain things that take you back to a lot of places. वो होता है, बहुत time होता है.
So is there any experience that you wanted to share with our audience?
There are lots actually होते रहता है, when you do a death scene, when you do those things kind of, yeah.
And talking about characters and the genre of movies, so is there any particular character that you wanted to play? You haven't played in any series or movie?
Like I said earlier at the meeting that we did the Q&As with the students, I would like to do anything that's a good character. I don't have anything in particular in mind, like as such. But yeah, I would like to do a lot of different types of characters where there is more to do, more to perform,
and in genre
with different shades. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm open to anything that is good, a good script. So there's no such like a genre that I've thought of. I love what I do, and I love the vastity of it. I love the shades, every shade of that it comes with. So there are different types of films being made. There are different types of shows being made, and there are some great roles, like I said earlier.
Right.
So wherever I do fit in, and wherever I get something meaty to do, actors are greedy. They want performance-oriented roles. Right. So yeah, those are always welcome.
And if we again talk about the inspiration of your being in acting journey, so who was the inspiration to start in taking acting as a career path?
My parents. My parents have been actors all their
Mm.
lives. So both my parents are actors, were actors. So I've always grown up watching their movies and loving what they do. So yeah, them
And
for sure.
amazing. And if we talk about this shift that we have seen in the cinema to OTT, right? So do you think this is in a positive way or a negative way, being an actor?
See, there is a positive side and a negative side to everything. So there are some goods, like I said, everything is more practical. And then I told you the negative side, that it's little impersonal. So there is a good side and bad side to every time and everything that happens. It depends on how you utilize it to your advantage. जो आप पॉजिटिविटी को लीजिए और नेगेटिविटी को पीछे छोड़ दीजिए. So whatever doesn't work for you, you must learn to kind of, get it out of your way
Right.
and lean towards whatever works for you.
Great. And do you have any someone like co-actor that is your favorite, or someone is like on set जो आपकी उनके साथ
Jagu.
friendship है bond? Okay.
He's my favorite, yeah.
So you have spent a lot of time on the set with him, और वो
Yes.
bonding वहाँ से बनी?
हाँ, I've done Arya Par with him.
Oh.
So I think he's a wonderful soul. He's a great person and he's big-hearted and full of life, and
Right.
he's just a wonderful person and he's still a friend.
Amazing. At last, any message you would like to give to the upcoming actors or actors?
Well, stay motivated. Don't let the fire die. I always say and don't be happy with what you do. Always strive to do better. I feel that's the only way to grow. I still always think that I'm not good enough, and I always try and do better than what I've done the previous time. So the idea is to grow and not stagnate, and be focused. That's
Amazing.
it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving such an insightful session about it. It's
Thank
lovely
you.
meeting you.
Wonderful. Thank you.